Everyone, my name is Tommy Tran. I'm going to do my presentation today on Quiziz.com, which is another form of Kahoot that I really like to enjoy. So without further ado, here's a quick recap of what it would look like. So right here, I'm doing a Punnett Square one where I did this on Friday with my students. So you click to proceed to go to the next one. And I'm not sure if I can play it with just one person. So this is on the screen, and on my phone, I'm going to punch in 368414. You have your students join over here. I'll click proceed, and I'm going to go ahead and punch in my name, Tommy, and start. There I go. I pop right on up, and then I can click start. And so this is really helpful because instead of showing it on the big screen, let me turn the sound down. It shows up on the phone itself so they can see. So every time I get a question right or wrong, it shows up on the screen right away. And so the thing that I really like about this is it shows the class accuracy on here, which is really good because every Friday we have competitions, and then I would put on the class averages for the entire class, so every period. So they like to compete with each other, so it's really cool to see them compete and try to outdo one another. So my honors period is 6th period, so they usually score really high. But that's been really encouraging for my 3rd period because last week they were only 2 points behind my honors class, and so they get really excited. And so they work with other students too to promote learning among the students. I really love this program, and it's really easy to grade it too. They grade it for you, so at the very end you can export it to an Excel sheet, and then you can just enter the grades from there. So it's extremely helpful, and I would highly recommend this. Thank you.